Good morning students, my name is Shashank Varma and today I am going to discuss fraction part 3. So student, in previous video we discussed about fraction, type of fraction like proper, improper, mixed. Now student, in this video we will discuss some next thing, and your next topic is that converting an improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay students, our next topic is that converting an improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay students, this is our first topic. Now students, you know that about mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of natural number and proper fraction. Yesterday we discussed, in previous video we discussed. Now in this video we will discuss how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay student, so for this there is a method. Okay, this is very easy method, and the method is you will write down mixed fraction is equal to quotient. Quotient, everyone know about quotient? Remainder upon what? Can anyone tell me? Quotient, remainder, and next is student denominator. Okay student, what is this? How you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so the formula is quotient and remainder upon denominator. How we will use this one? This is the actual thing. Okay student, this is the basic thing, and mixed fraction equal to quotient, remainder and denominator. Now example I am going to take student. Example I am going to take, like I am taking example 20 upon 3. Okay student, this is 20 upon 3. Now we have to convert in what? We have to convert in mixed fraction. So what we will do student, first we will divide 3 and we will divide 20. Now you know that 3 6 18, 3 6 18, 10 minus 8 2, it will come 2. Okay, so according to formula you have to put the value. You don't have to learn, you have to understand. See, first we will write down quotient. So this one is your quotient, so 6 is your quotient, write down 6. Now you will write down remainder. So remainder is what is student? 2. So write down 2 upon denominator. What is denominator student? Denominator is what? See here, denominator is 3. Okay, so now you know that 6 3 are 18 and plus 2 20. Okay, so this is the actual way. If anyone asks you how to convert, you will say, you will give the explanation. Mixed fraction is equal to quotient, or every time you don't have to need write down this. Write down this only. This I writing only for your understanding. Okay, so mixed fraction equal to what is student? Quotient, remainder and denominator. So quotient I written here, remainder and what? Denominator. Another example we can take student. Any example you can take student. It's depend on you. Okay, every time you will get the same result. Like 41 upon 7. 41 upon 7 is not given, so you will divide it 7 and 41. How many times it will go student? 7 5 are 35. 11 minus 5 6. Okay student. So now next is again we will write down what? Quotient. What is quotient student? Quotient is 5. Okay student, quotient is 5. Here easily you can write down. Now next is remainder. Remainder is what student? 6. So remainder you will write down 6. Now next is denominator. What is denominator student? Denominator is 7. So by this way you can write down. Once or 2 times you will practice my student, everything will be clear. There is no need of writing again and again. Only I have written here why it is coming. What is the reason behind this? Okay. How just many places you will see directly it is written, but how it will come? This is the actual way. First you will write down quotient. Okay, quotient. This is 5. So remainder is 6. And denominator is 7. Okay student, so this is about how to convert in mixed fraction. Okay, now next thing is that student converting. अब देखिए next thing is that opposite of this. Next thing is that student it is given converting a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Converting a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay student, this is what? This is the reverse of this. In previous we discussed converting improper fraction into mixed fraction. In this we will discuss about converting a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fraction into improper fraction. For example, for this there is also a method. What is the method student? What is the method? This is also a method is given, which is given student improper fraction equal to improper fraction equal to what? Improper fraction equal to what? Everyone know natural number part. Natural number part. Okay student, now next is multiply by denominator. Okay, देखिए first what we will do student, first we will see the natural part, because there is a natural part, then we will multiply by the denominator. Okay, then plus numerator. One minute student, it is missing out. Natural part into denominator plus, okay ठीक, plus numerator. So first we will write down natural number part into denominator plus numerator upon whole upon this is denominator. देखिए student, it is looking very big formula, but this is not actual that. When we will solve the question, everything will be clear. Only this is the based on the statement. Okay, what? देखिए natural number, you know that there is a mixed fraction, there is a natural number, and example of proper fraction. So see natural number part into what? Denominator plus numerator upon denominator. See, अब example I am going to take student example like 2 whole 5 upon 6. Simple example it is given student. With the help of example I will explain. So 2 whole 5 upon 6. You know that this is what student? This is natural number. Okay, this is numerator, this is denominator. So now solve this student. So you will apply natural number part into denominator. So what is natural number student? 2 is the natural number, and you will multiply by denominator. So 2 multiply by what student? 2 multiply by 6, because 6 is your denominator. Okay na? Next is plus numerator. This is in bracket plus numerator. Numerator is 5. So write down 5 upon what student? Upon denominator. Okay, upon denominator. See, 2 is the natural number, so written natural number multiply by what? Multiply by the denominator. The denominator is what? 6 and plus numerator. Okay, now in downside also there is a denominator. So write down denominator. Denominator is what student? 6 is denominator. Now we will solve first according to board mass. You will solve bracket 6 to 12. It means 12 plus 5 upon 6. Okay student, 12 plus 5 upon 6. So what it will come student? 17 upon 6. Okay student, this is our what? This is our mixed fraction. What we did? First we will write down multiply natural number into denominator plus numerator upon 6. Directly you know that what? 6 to 12, 12 plus 5, 17 upon 6. But anyone can ask how it will come, what is the actual formula, or anywhere you can ask. Okay, anyone can ask, so you will give the proper explanation. And a math is based on conceptual knowledge, you have to give the proper explanation. And everything, so you know very simply, 6 to 12, 12 plus 5, 17 upon 6. Okay student, so this is our what? How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is the. Now the next topic is student. Next topic is given like and unlike fraction. Next topic is given like in like and unlike fraction. अब like is student what? Like is about same है ना? जी like first we discuss like fraction. Okay student, तो like fraction means something the same. Like is what? Like something is same. Okay, तो two are more fraction. Okay, two are more fraction means fraction will be two are more than two. Okay, having same denominator, having same denominator. Okay student, what is the definition? कि two are more fraction. Okay, fraction will be two are more than two, because when we have to see they are alike or not like, so we will minimum there should be two fraction, and more than two it will be possible. So two are more fraction having same denominator. Same denominator is called like fraction. Okay student, this is the simple. If anyone asks, you want to know what is the actual definition. Take it. Many books directly written what is the like fraction, what is the unlike fraction. But this is the actual definition. The two or more fraction having same denominator is called like fraction. It's called like fraction. For example, you can write down 3/7. Okay, or we can write down 5/7. See, only two fraction I am taking. But what is the meaning of this fraction? Denominator are same. Na? Okay, so 3/7 and 5/7 will fall in the category of like fraction. Okay, two or more fraction having same denominator is called like fraction. Okay student, so this is about our like fraction. Acha, here two or more fraction having same denominator are, then write down are called the like fractions. Okay, because two na is plural. Okay, so this is about like fractions. Now come on unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of unlike fraction? Unlike fraction. So see student, this is the reverse of this. जैसे like में denominator are same, but in unlike denominator are different. So again two are more fraction having different. Two are more fraction having different denominators are called what? Are called student unlike fractions. Okay student, this is the reverse of this. What? Fraction having two or more fraction having different denominators are called unlike fraction. Okay student, what is the example you can give? What? In example 1/5 you can give. Okay, this is the example of what? Unlike fraction. And 2/3, 4/7, they all are the example of unlike fraction. If anyone written, write down this one and want to know what type of fraction they are. So what you will see here, 1/5, 2/3, 4/7. मतलब if he will ask in respect of like fraction and unlike fraction, he will say what? They are unlike fraction because they having different denominator. Okay, and like fraction having the same denominator. Okay student, so this is about what today we discuss like fraction, unlike fraction, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction into mixed fraction student. Okay, so this we discuss. Okay, so in this video we discuss something of fraction. In next video we will discuss some other things student. Till you have to practice the like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction, okay, and improper fraction, and everything will be clear. Concept should be crystal clear, so you will solve all the question based on this. So in next video we will discuss the next thing. Thank you students.